Known non-filers are those people that the IRS has performed a match of 1099s or W-2s against their tax return master file system, and they notice that they've got income from information returns but no corresponding tax return. And so the IRS mails out the non-filer notices. Underreported notices speak for themselves. They compare every information return, W-2s, 1099s with tax returns, and if the information returns show that you earned, let's say, $80,000 in a year and the tax return reports 50, they kick out a non-filer notice. Audit notices, we all know what those are. Your tax return has been selected for audit. Collection notices. These are the notices that go out when the taxpayer actually has a tax liability assessed on the books that's unpaid. Now the IRS wants to collect it, and they send out the collection notices. This is the largest batch of notices that go out every single year. In the last 2 years, 20 million is the number of tax delinquency accounts that the IRS has on the books. That's not the number of notices. A taxpayer who owes money to the IRS might get 4, 5, 6 different notices, but there are almost 20 million tax delinquency accounts on the IRS's books right now. So there's a heck of a lot of people out there that owe money to the IRS that they're not paying or can't pay, because these notices include wage levies, bank levies, property seizures, tax liens, and so on. And so we need to understand how to deal with these notices, because they have particular procedures that are provided for in the Internal Revenue Code that constitute what are called the collection due process, which in my opinion are the most important rights that taxpayers have when dealing with the Internal Revenue Service.